I'm in a like a swap or something, but they got a little bit of everything. These are really nice shirts. Shirts. Captain Car. Yeah.
Have you looked, sir?
No. I'm
Have
good.
you aside?
No, I'm good.
Hello, have a look, baby, does sir?
Wow. So all the shoes you can imagine. Super knockoffs. They feel like cardboard. They got the knockoff Yeezys, but they don't at least have his name on them. Zoom. They got the Nikes, the Christian Dior, the Gucci, the Vuitton. Really nice stuff, but they have the knockoff. Still get the fashion without the price. Look at these tables. Goodness, those suckers would be expensive. Super expensive. Solid wood. Good wood too. Weathered and watered. They got the knockoff Yeezys. How much?
Huh?
How much?
Which one? This one 800. Have many color: brown, blue, black, white, gray.
Man, these suckers feel good. Golly.
Here brown, black, green, off green.
Yeah, see. Shit. Those are fire.
See, this one.
And they're super comfortable, huh?
See?
Super soft. Yeah, Dior.
The Dior.
Yeah, Nike Dior, huh? Dior, Nike, Dior Air. They make whatever. That's dope.
All new coming.
Yeah, I see. You're unloading. That's pretty fresh.
All I have.
Yes, sir. Oh, these feel better than the other ones. And the Yeezys?
900, brother.
900, okay. And these suckers are soft here. See the design flaw in them though. Oh, and your single underwear, how much are these?
Huh? This one 80 baht, brother.
80 baht? Okay. Supreme bags, Under Armour. I gotta get in touch with my friend Juan Carlos so he can get some of these. I can ship him some of this stuff. These are pretty dresses for ladies. Ooh, woodwork. Hello. Oh no, I'm doing YouTube, so I can get business here. It's America. It's you hear of YouTube, right? YouTube? Yeah, this is YouTube. I do YouTube. So it go to America. Good morning. Kapong ka. Hello. How are you?
Good, and you?
I'm doing well.
shoot.
Oh, no, no. I'm just doing YouTube for you guys so I can get business here for you. Hello. Hello. Kapunka.
Hello, sir. Have a look.
Yeah, I see. I'm doing YouTube. It's just I'm just doing YouTube.
Oh, YouTube.
Yeah. So the people from America come. You can get everything. This is dope. I have to admit, I like the way this is. How much is this?
This shirt?
Yeah.
Here.
This is dope. Goodness. And the Louis Vuitton bag. All those are dope too. Goodness. Wow.
Yes, sir.
How much?
280, sir.
280. I like how you have it.
Huh?
I like the embroidery.
Yeah.
I like how it pushes out. I don't know if people can see that this is like I don't know if you guys can tell, but this is not like regular. This is really nice. Goodness. I'm doing YouTube
Yeah.
for United States so I can bring people here.
Sure.
But this is so nice. I like how this this little thing here.
I have short pant too.
Oh, that's pimp.
Yes, sir.
I like this. So this matches this one.
Yeah. No, this kind of.
Wait,
this one
Lacoste.
matches.
Oh,
Lacoste. I
Lacoste.
have white color
Lacoste.
too. Lacoste.
How much is whole outfit?
For two, I give you for shirt pant and 1,000, and for t-shirt for 500.
500. So 1,500 baht. Wait, what you
500,
say?
500.
500 baht
For both.
for both.
Yeah.
So how much is 500? 500 baht. That's nothing.
Burberry also.
Yeah, I like Burberry. It's nice. I like the green. This color is really cool.
Burberry coming two design. Little bit coming is a golden color too. Gold color too.
Oh wow, that's pretty cool. But this might come off in the wash.
No, not coming. I can always wear 5 years, nothing to damage.
Oh wow, that's really cool. Okay, so I'm on Soy Bacao.
Yeah.
I gotta go exchange money.
Sure.